In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Airbnb booking credits after canceling. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Airbnb and just add login after it so they can take you to the login page right away. Of course, here make sure to log in into an account if you have an account. If you don't, go and create an account. But normally, if you don't have an account, you wouldn't probably be in this video. So make sure to log in into your account very fast. So as you can see, this should log you into your account. In here, all you need to do, just click on the three lines at the top right corner and then go and click on the account settings. This will take you here to the account settings. Once you are here, all you need to do, just go in this list panel and make sure to select payments. Once you do so, you should find yourself here on the payments page. In here as an example, if you have any booking credits, all you need to do, just scroll down and you will be able to see it. For me, I don't have any booking credit, that's why nothing is showing here. And of course, if you're even like a host, you'll be able also to see here how much credit do you have if you want to get paid of it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.